I'm Keiko and I'm a holistic health coach at KTM Holistic Health. I'm going to show you today how to make natural laundry soap and some dryer balls so you can avoid unnecessary toxic chemicals and other junk you don't want. Okay, so to make your laundry soap, you just need a cup of the superwash soda and then 1 cup of borax and then 1 bar of soap. I just use Kirk's Castile fragrance free, but there are other options. And really all you have to do is just mix it up and then just use it, like use a tablespoon or so. So I have 1 cup here of washing soda. Since I don't want to breathe all this in because I'm really sensitive, I like to mix it in a bag where I can zip it up. And then this is the borax. And this is the grated soap. This is 1 bar of soap. And then I just close it. And then I just mix it up just like that. And then as I'm mixing it, I try to break the Castile soap down a little bit more. And put it in like a recycled container and put it by your washing machine. So now for the dryer ball. So you're going to want to make maybe 4 to 6, and you can buy these already made like on Etsy. But they're very easy to make. What you're going to need is about 1 to 1.5 ounces of wool and stocking for ease, water, and a drop of soap. Okay, so got your 1 ounce of wool, and make sure you get the kind that felt. You can always ask the Etsy seller. There are some superwash wool that will not felt. There are some breeds of sheep that don't felt nearly as well. So most sheep's wool will felt. So I'm creating a ball. I'm actually making a jumbo. This is probably about 1.5 ounces. So that's your first step. You hold it real tight, and then this kind of helps you felt. So I'm going to put it inside the stocking. And now I'm going to dunk this in. There's about a drop of dish soap or ink soap to help it felt faster. So I'm just soaking it and squeezing it. And then this is going to take you maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So it's fun if you hang out with other girlfriends or kids. And just basically you're squeezing and rolling, squeezing and rolling until it's really tight, and then until some of the fiber starts poking out. So I'm going to do this for another 5 minutes, but let's pause the video. Okay, so now that it's firmed up and you see some fiber poking out, you can take it out of your stocking. And you might have to pull it because the fiber is going to be stuck. Okay, and there you have it. You can continue a little bit if you want it tighter or not. If you want some nice scent but don't want to use anything artificial and chemical, you can put a couple drops of essential oils on this before you throw it into your dryer. Enjoy!